Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by removing the keycap correctly so you don't break the retainer. First, power off and unplug the Chromebook to avoid shorting circuits. Next, inspect the key to see how the plastic retainer and any metal stabilizer sit. This visual note saves time when reassembling. Use a plastic pry tool or your fingernail at one corner and lift slowly. If you feel resistance, stop and check the clips. Forcing it will snap the hinge. Now focus on the retainer and stabilizer. They are the fragile middle that determines key travel. Once done inspecting, align the replacement retainer so its small hooks face the same way as the original. Press each half onto the hinge posts until you feel gentle clicks. Make sure any metal bar or stabilizer is seated under its tabs. This equalizes travel and prevents wobble. Before you press the keycap on, wiggle the retainer lightly. To finish, align the keycap with the retainer hooks and press straight down. Use firm, even pressure until you hear the click of the cap seating. Power on the Chromebook and test the key in a text field or the keyboard settings tester to confirm travel and actuation. If the key is sticky, noisy, or unresponsive, remove the cap and recheck the retainer orientation and stabilizer clip. Most problems come from misaligned clips or a trapped spring, which you can correct quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.